We are touching on a topic tonight, making godly life choices. Anytime a child of God is focused, you are able to make the right decisions, the right choices. Choices in life are very, very important. What choices are you making? You know, this life is about choices. It's either you make the right choice or you make the wrong choice. It might not hit you now, it will hit you tomorrow. Every choice you make, every choice I make has its consequences. I know people say, but if I do it, the Lord will forgive me. No, He will forgive you because God is merciful. But the consequences, you will not escape it. The choice you are making today is going to affect your tomorrow. Any challenge you are going through now and the choices you are putting down on the table now, one day the consequences are there. You need to be focused. You can only be focused when the Lord is in the equation.